The following footage is for the hull border control facilities that we're currently building for associated British ports. So current progress on site is the foundation install. Foundations on this site are more of a traditional foundation due to the fact that we used rigid inclusions for stabilising the ground and a ground stabilisation method, which leads to a nice cleaner and faster foundation detail. We worked with Kellers to do the rigid inclusions, and they installed over 600 rigid inclusions onto the project. Also appointed Browns Construction, who are doing the civil engineering on site for us. They're providing the foundations and drainage and service connections for us on this project. Spencer Group, civils and engineers are also self-delivering some of this work. We're currently forming the site entrance and associated 278 works. Week commencing the 22nd of March will see us complete the foundations on the main border control building and progress halfway through the small border control building. This will put us in a position to start the main steel erection of the portal frames from commencing the 29th of March.